we are going to honor our own Dr. Vimal Vyas. He is HOD in Medical College, Rajkot. So our President, Dr. Mukesh Porwal, will introduce our today's stalwart. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Suketu. We had two excellent talks by Dr. Gadre sir and Dr. Hemal Kansagra. And as per our custom these days, we would like to continue our efforts to honor our seniors and stalwarts. Today, we would like to bestow the honor on the head of Department of Ophthalmology in PDU Medical College, Dr. Vimal Vyas. Before I ask him to speak, a short introduction for those who do not know him much. Very few would be like that, I would say. He did his MBBS from MP Shah Medical College in 1982. Did his MS Ophthal also from the same place. He did DR Fellowship under Dr. Nagpal in 1988-99, and he has worked in various trust hospitals of Rajkot before joining as faculty in PDU Government Medical College since 1988, and he has been there since then. He has guided a large number of PG students. Many of his students are now very illustrious ophthalmologists, and Dr. Vyas has been head of department for no less than 20 years. That is a big achievement in itself. And of late, he has done a lot of work on mucormycosis. Some of it we'll be seeing in the next meeting, but he'll be talking to us a little bit in this meeting itself. I invite Dr. Vimal Vyas to take us through his journey. In recognition of this day, we presented a small memento so that he does not forget this day easily. I now invite Dr. Vyas sir to give his thoughts on his long and illustrious career. Please share your screen. Sir.
Career, and I would like to thank to Dr. all my teachers during my PG career, particularly Dr. Minaben Kulkarni. She is no more at present. Dr. Manjuben Sainath, Dr. Sathe, Dr. James Shah, Dr. Amit Mehta, who have helped me building my career. I want to talk something regarding Dr. P. Nagpal. I would like to mention regarding Dr. P. Nagpal, with whom I did my fellowship for vitreoretinal diseases. I feel very much privileged to work with him. He is the real stalwart for me. Gem of the teacher. He had a feather in my cap and it will remain forever. Then I want to talk something regarding my department. I am attached with this department since 1998. Earlier, it was functioning as District Eye Hospital, GTZ Eye Hospital. After becoming college, it is functioning as Department of Ophthalmology, Pandit Dindayal Medical College. There is a lot of development in the department that I could do it with help of my colleagues working with me, Dr. Kamal Dodia and Dr. Nithiman Seth. Also, I would like to mention that Dr. Sanil Pandya working as Program Officer with DBCS. All my residents.
I can interrupt, sorry for interrupting. If you're sharing your screen, we are not seeing it right now.
No, I'm not sharing screen.
Okay, right. Okay, sorry about that. Please continue.
I want to talk something for my residents. We started post-graduation in 2001 and till today 51 or 55 post-graduate students have passed from this college under my professorship and guidance. I am very much thankful to them. They are and all were a backbone and asset for this department and institute. All my past residents now as specialists are settled in different cities of Gujarat as well as other states in India and doing good work in respective subspecialties. Last but not the least, I thank respected Dr. Khaben Gosalia for giving legacy in the form of patience and establishment of the department in this college. Once again, I want to thank ROS for giving me this opportunity. And lastly, I want to thank my family members who have supported all throughout my life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. That was a very short and sweet recounting of the journey. I would like to refresh your memories a little bit with some of your photographs, and we would like you to speak something as the pictures come up. Can you say something about this, sir?
This picture of my colleague fellows. Center, Dr. Nagpal, besides him, I am there. Then Dr. Kartik Nanavati, Dr. Patnaik, and Dr. Jaiswal, who is working in Patna. They are my co-fellows doing my fellowship program.
Yes, and this is Dr. Nagpal's chamber.
Yes. You know very well because you are there also.
Yes, sort of a temple actually.
Right. Real. This is me and Dr. Nagpal.
This was 1988, I believe. Yes.
This is my next is my photograph of teachers when I was doing my PG.
Oh, right.
Dr. Minabel Kulkarni, Dr. Sathe, Dr. D.C. Mehta, Dr. Manjuben Sainath, and all my colleagues at that time.
Right.
In back rows.
Right. Very old and very nostalgic photograph.
Really.
Right. I don't know whether everybody will be able to see the writing or read it, but this is a nicely penned letter by one of your residents.
Definitely. He has left the department now. Just 2 days back, he released from the department after completion of the study.
Yes. It looks like a very eloquently written farewell letter.
Definitely.
Yes. And
it's very touching to me.
Yes, and you must be very proud of all your residents who have many of them doing very well.
Definitely.
Right. And I wanted to ask you, how does it feel to be a head of department for 2 decades and more? I think more than that now.
I'm getting a lot of support from my institution and my colleagues who helped me a lot in developing this department to this. We are lucky to having a lot of instruments now. So they can learn, my students can learn. I've given free hands to them.
Right, sir. And of late, has the department added anything big for in the field of ophthalmology compared to other medical colleges or something?
See, almost we have got all the equipments except this topography. We have got UBM, ultrasound B-scan, and fundus camera, OCT, perimeter, specular microscope, clinical as well as iBank model, because we are running iBank.
Right. And I'm sure there's a lot of corneal work, keratoplasties, all that is going on for many years.
We are pioneer in iBank. Actually, my colleague Dr. Kamal Dodia, who is dealing with the cornea work, and is doing excellent work. And we are getting a lot many patients from all Kutch area, in Saurashtra, all the areas. And Dr. Hardik Jiwani is deputed here for cornea work and is doing general work also.
Right. And can you tell us something about the recent COVID crisis and the Mucor crisis affecting the eye patients as well as the other COVID patients?
We have dealt with corona patients. All the faculty and all the residents were involved actively in the COVID work. Post-COVID now there is mucormycosis. Our 4 teams are working for mucormycosis. They are taking daily rounds, giving retrobulbar amphotericin B, and as required, they do the exenteration also.
Right. And do you still see cases of mucormycosis, new cases coming in?
Not much now, but they will have long stay. Mucormycosis patients, they will stay at least 4 weeks in the department.
Right, right.
And government is doing a lot of things for them. We are lucky that we are getting everything from the government side.
Right.
So we are actively involved in mucormycosis now.
Right.
Still going on. We have got 70 patients still in the mucor ward.
Oh, quite a lot of patients for a long time. Right.
Definitely.
I would invite others in the meeting to interact with sir and comment or ask him about his long career and their personal experience if anyone wants to share with him. Dr. Dharmesh was his student, I believe.
They were my students.
Yes, sir.
Like,
I was just about to tell. Congratulations, Vyas sir. I was one of the first few batches. I was with him. And he used to give full liberty to all the residents. And he taught me a lot. And he, along with, there was Dr. Nian Pandya sir, when I was a resident. And both of them were made very nice faculties. And they shaped up my career in the initial days. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Thank you. Thank you, Dharmesh.
I would like someone senior to put in a word who has interacted with Dr. Vyas sir over the years.
Dr. Porwal, can I?
Sure, Ajay bhai, please.
Yes, so I have known Dr. Vyas since 1984 when I entered the Episa Medical College, and he was already a PG resident. And I was fortunate enough that we dined in the same mess. And from that time onwards, I could see that he had great teaching capabilities and used to guide all his juniors very well. And then even today, I feel that his temperament, his nature, and his teaching and guiding capacities remain the same. So I'm really pleased to be in contact with him, and I wish him best for the future and look ahead to see him as the Dean of Medical College, Rajkot. Best of luck, sir.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, we really wish that you progress further and become the Dean and whatever career landmarks are there left to achieve, you get. And I would like to add to Dr. Ajay Mehta's thing that today you had not been professor-like. You finished quite early. Your speech, it was not very long. So I was expecting a longer talk from you, but it was short and sweet. Anybody else would like to comment?
Yeah, this is Dr. Tejas here. So congratulations, Vyas sir. I am also one of his resident.
Thank
and
you, Tejas.
we feel really blessed to be part of PDU Medical College and especially GT Shet Eye Hospital. Lots of cataract surgeries that we have done during our residency, thanks to you, sir, and your free hand on us and trust on us that we take care of the patients well. It was really great time those 3 years in Rajkot. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Tejas. Keep in touch.
Thank you, Dr. Tejas. Nice.
Dr. Tejas. Pardon, Dr. Mukesh.
Yes, sir.
I want to say Dr. Tejas is working in Bombay at present. He was my student, All India quota.
Oh, right. Nice.
It was nice
you must be having students all over the country scattered now over, because 20 years or 23 years as HOD, many of your students must be working all over the country. Some of them abroad also, I probably assume.
Definitely.
Right.
Thank you, Tejas.
I would like to say something too. I am Dr. Mihir. I just finished my residency and came back to Bombay 2 days back. And the way Sir has taught us, the way Sir has taken care of the department, the instruments and everything, and just everything, he has maintained it so well that we have got the opportunity to learn on everything, not only on clinical skills, but also surgical exposure, the way he has given us. And I'm very, very satisfied to have done my residency under him. And I have worked under him. He was my PG guide too. And I'm very grateful to him for everything that he has taught us.
Thank you, Mir. Dr. Mukesh.
Yes, sir.
The letter said is by Dr. Mir.
Yes, I read that. I was going to say that it was a lovely letter and is really heart-touching. Coming from a student to a teacher, what more can the teacher want? Really, and written very eloquently, typed very nicely, I must say. So, very good.
Thank you. Thank you, Mir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I would like to tell you that Dr. Rashmita Kukadia says she's learned a lot under you during her MS, and those are lifelong memories to cherish.
I'll be happy to see her.
If Dr. Rashmita can speak, we'd be keen to hear her. She's put in a message in the chat box, but probably not willing to speak. Dr. Kalaria, sir, your words for Dr. Vimal Vyas, sir.
Hi, Kamlesh.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
I think we have started from State Hospital where I was also working from. I was working till now.
Right.
And saying one of the good tip is that he has initiated me or backup me for his fitness. He was always there in morning walk with his wife. He always met me race course. So that is also nice that you have maintained this and have promoted us for this also.
Yes, I came to know that you're the most regular morning walker around the race course, even today.
Yes, I did swimming regularly for 20 years.
Oh, right.
Then we started walking regularly without break, consistently. We are walking in the morning.
Right. That's nice. And you look very fit and fit as a fiddle all the time, and you definitely inspire us to match your standards.
Thank you. Thank you, Mukesh.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure knowing little nuggets about you and knowing about your long career. And we wish you all health and happiness and even a longer and longer career.
Thank you very much once again. And thank you for giving the opportunity for this felicitation.
It's our honor and pleasure, sir. It is you richly deserve it more than anyone else, I would say, because being a head of department for such a long time and doing such good work is not easy, and staying to the task all these years really it takes a lot of effort and sacrifices also at a personal level.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Dr. Suketu.
Yeah. So thank you for today's two speakers, Dr. Sanjay Gadre sir and Dr. Hemal Kansagra. And once again, congratulations, Dr. Vimal Vyas sir, for being ROS stalwart. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you all for joining the meeting. So
Thank
with
you,
this, we are
Thank you.
ending today's meeting. Thank you. Thank you all.
Good night,
Thank you.
everybody.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
sir.
Good night.
Once again.
Yes, bhai. There is a request to you and Suketu.
Yes, yes.
So this is a high time for a physical meeting, I think.
Yes, we are working on it. We are thinking about it. I knew that this request was going to come soon.
That way we would start.
Yes. We'll think about it and let you know soon, sir, how we can go about it.
People are waiting
Definitely.
for good dinner.
Yes, yes, yes. The meetings without dinner, it doesn't have the same taste. Right.
We expect in earliest possible.
Yes, sir. We'll try. Definitely. Right. Right, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye, all of you. Good night.
Good night.
And we have had a nice meeting. We'll get in touch again the next month or so. Right. Thank you.
Okay.